four? Four ducks. Yeah. Are there four babies too? Where's the babies? There they are.
No.
No? Oh yeah, that's the babies. Okay, ready for the next page? Turn the page. Five.
No.
There's another baby. Where's the ducks? There they are. Want to count? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, look at all these. That's money. Money. Good job. That's a bug. It's a ladybug. Do you want to count to 10 with me?
Yeah.
Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's the money. 10 coins. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Here, turn your wrist this way. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Can you count? That's my other arm. Yeah, you did a very good job.
Do you want to pick another book?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go pick another book.
Put this one back. Whoa, that's a big one. That's a 2. Duck, duck. Oh, there's the duck. 2 ducks. 3 ducks. No, that's your nose. Oh, Elmo's Good Manners game. Is this the one you want to read? Or is there a different one? No. Is there a different one? Oh, this is Daddy's bracelet. Do you want to wear it?
No.
Should Daddy wear it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. How's that? Is that good?
Yeah.
Good.
No.
Did you want to pick a book to read?
Show.
No show.
Don't go.
Thanks for giving those to Mom.
Go give them to Mommy. No show. We're going to read books.
Allie, why are your pajamas so long?
Is that a pillow? Is it stuck?
Yeah.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Say help.
Let me help you. Here you go.
Say thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
She's asking to watch a show now that she's
No show.
sitting on it.
It's almost time for night-night. Nope.
Can we say night-night?
Dad, Baba. Night-night. Whoa.
Where's Elmo? Adelaide, say purple. Say blue. Say yellow. Say red. Say green. Say blue. Say black. You want to pick a book that we can read?
Yeah.
You want to read that one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, bring it to Mommy.